over. Here we go. Here we go. Set your head down. There we go. Okay. Roll over. Red Rover.
Roll over.
Red Rover.
You keep putting your worst toys on. Yay!
Good job, Astrid.
Yay!
Astrid rolled over Red Rover. Rolled over Red Rover. Rolled over Red Rover.
She's like, this is kind of fun.
Ready, stand up? Yeah, we've played this as a game. Okay, stop here. Okay, here we go. Let's say roll over, Red Rover. Ready? Here we go. Roll over, Red Rover.
Roll over.
Rover. You go roll over?
Yeah? Where's Astrid? Where are you?
I'm looking at my exerciser. I'm looking at my exerciser. You roll over, Red Rover?
I kind of like my tummy right now.
Roll over, Red Rover. Roll over, Red Rover. Yeah, you gonna roll over, Red Rover?
Almost.
Roll over, Red Rover. Yeah, roll over. Roll over, Astrid. Roll over. Roll over, Red Rover. Good girl. Yeah. See, I'm just having fun playing on my tummy right now. You roll over?
I'm trying.
Roll over. Roll over, Red Rover. Roll over. Roll over.
She'll get it.
Roll over, Red Rover. Roll over. Roll over. Grandma, give me a little push. There you go. Yay! Now what did you just do?
Say, Grandma, that doesn't count. I have to do it again.
Good job. Yay for Astrid.
Yay!
Ready, roll over. Roll over. Roll over, Red Rover. Roll over. Roll over. Yay!
Yay!
Good job, Astrid. Good job. Yay!
You are so cute. You are so cute.
Good job, Astrid.
You're so cute.
Are you so big?